Hello everyone, Cindy here with Monarch Mom DIY. Excited to be bringing you this unboxing of the April 2026 Grabie Scrapbook subscription box. The theme for April is Steampunk Explorer. I know this is a super popular style, so I'm excited to open this up and see what we have inside. So the first thing I see is this ink blending brush and this palette of ink colors. We have some really fun antique looking brads, a bunch of these die cuts that are like really vintage old looking papers. Here is your stencil to use with the inks and brush. It's some gears, some black and gold chain link stickers, and then of course the highlight of each box is the collage book that goes along with the theme. Here again, you can see everything that's in it. Oh, I didn't show you these die cuts too. There's this cute little envelope, which you can use in your journals, and then some die cuts. So let's flip through really quickly in the collage book for this month. Each collage book has perforated pages, which makes it really nice to be able to remove papers to use in your books. There are die cuts, there are stickers, there is vellum paper. Look at how gorgeous these papers are. Each book has 3 themes. This was called something about the past. So it's all kind of vintagey past themes, clocks, postcards, letters, things like that. You can see some really cool clock face stickers here. And we're just going to keep flipping through just to give you a general idea of what is in this collage book. Steam and Sky is the second theme. So you've got a lot of planes, balloons, clouds, maps, things like that. And then quickly here, we will get to the third and final theme. And I believe it's like plants and stuff. So let's see. Oh, look at all the cars. Really, really fun images that you can use in so many different ways. I think those strips are stickers. Yes, nature. I loved this section. It looks kind of like a nature scrapbook. Lots of fun butterflies and birds and flowers. Really, really gorgeous images in this collage book. So I've already started with another video showing how to use the items in this collage book to make some really fun junk journals. That video should be dropping in the next couple of days. If you would like to get your hands on this one, the link and a discount code are in the description box. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye.